Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. Are you looking for a trauma kit, stop the bleed kit, IFAK, whatever you want to call it? I have a kit that I want you to take a look at. So if you're looking for a trauma kit, something that's going to stop major bleeding, it's going to be a range bag, something you can throw in your vehicle. This isn't a boo-boo kit. This is for, oh my gosh, someone's dying. This is a kit that we can take a look at for you. So this is the RIG, R-I-G IFAK from North American Rescue, and we carry it at Medical Gear Outfitters. I'm going to demo the black one for you here on video, but we also have a green one and a tan one that we can ship to match all your cool tactical gear. So we'll take a little bit closer look here on the table in just a few seconds, but this is the overall look of the bag here. It's a good size kit. So we'll take a look at the RIG kit right now. I'm going to show you the things that I like about it. I'm also going to show you some things that I might add to this kit if I could. All right, so we'll take a look at the outside of the bag here. Very nice construction. This is a MOLLE pouch. So it already comes with a MOLLE, so you can weave this into your vest, backpack, however you'd like to. Then has this pull locking clasp here to keep everything secure. Nice and keep things nice and clean, out of the weather, things like that. And then we do have a cross that's going to identify that this is a first aid kit, trauma kit for us. So if it's in your vehicle, it's on the back seat, wherever you got it, or if it's on your range bag, you know this is your IFAK. So this pulls here. This is going to unlock it for us and open it up. Now this is attached, then this is just going to pull easy and open up. So we open it up, you're going to find that your cat tourniquet's already out of the packaging. I've done plenty of videos on how to use the cat, when to use a cat, things like that. But I like the fact this is already out of the packaging when we buy our kit. It's one of the things we talk about in our Stop the Bleed classes, I've done it in videos, is when you purchase this cat, which is awesome that you are getting prepared for that, go ahead and take this out of the packaging and have it ready to deploy and ready to use. Now it has some rubber bands here holding in place very easily. This is going to pull and we're going to have access to our tourniquet ready to deploy. On the side here, you have some black gloves, Talon gloves. These are going to be super thick. These are the ones that come up to your elbow just about, but some great gloves here. Then you have a 4-inch pressure bandage here. Then we have 2 rolled gauze. These are non-hemostatic agent gauze. And then in the back here, we have our hyphen chest seals. I really like the kit and the pouch setup, which is why we started carrying it at Medical Gear Outfitters. But you have this here. This panel is going to open up. That way if I need to toss this to someone, open this up and have maybe easier access if it's on my vest, things like this is going to give me a lot easier access to my supplies if I can pull this out and then lay it beside my victim. If you purchase this kit from medicalgearoutfitters.com, you have 3 different ways you can buy this kit. Well, besides the color, is you can choose just with the wound packing gauze here, which is non-hemostatic agent, which is typically just fine. But you could also buy it with combat gauze or Celox Rapid. And what we do is we pull one of these out and then put a combat gauze in there for you, or Celox Rapid. So if you're wound packing, you could start with your hemostatic agent gauze, and then if you need to backfill, you could backfill with your regular compressed gauze. If you're buying a pre-made trauma kit or you're building your own, there's a few things you want to think about. One is the pouch. I have always said that the pouch should be easily identifiable that it is a trauma kit. When you're thinking about the contents of the kit, you want to think about the March algorithm. So massive bleeding, airway, respiratory, circulation, heat loss, head injuries. And then you could also put an E in there if you'd like for everything else. So you want your kit to be able to cover all of that. Massive bleeding, airway, respiratory, circulation, heat loss. If you want to throw some boo-boo items in there for everything else, go for it. So if I could add a few things to this kit, it's packed pretty tight. But if I could add a few things, I would add a pre-looped MPA, and I would add a survival blanket in there just to complete that March algorithm to make sure everything's covered. So if you were looking for a trauma kit and IFAK, I hope this video helps. I'll put a link down below if you'd like to purchase this or other kits that we have. Or if you're looking for individual supplies, go to medicalgearoutfitters.com. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.